Shibanta ban rakhe ka National Science Day arhajar apoi haka artarik ulber arhajar apoi ka State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya balbalakar shanda ka NCSTC, DST, GOI and Planning Department Government of Meghalaya kalapan kuburam gi khna school ke bala pass bhai ki subject science but mathematics haka examination SSLC but HSSLC haka ni ka snil apan ko biya prangot ki khna school ke pass bhai ka SSLC exam ki bala yo bon marks ka mathematics but science but sangot ki pass bha ka HSSLC exam ki ba yo bon marks ka science but mathematics but arngot ki pass bha ka crash tuition program ha ka mathematics ka balong ha All Saints Cathedral Hall Shillong hagan ka sngi la yo ka jinkran yang buram no program officer SCSTE Meghalaya CPCM ka jinkran link na ka principal Shillong College ka kong I Kharkongor but ka jinkran ban I mean CM ki khna school na ka special officer Office of the Directorate of School Education and Literacy Government of Meghalaya ka kong TM Pingrop but ka jing Aikran Kuplay na Assistant Project Coordinator SCSTE Meghalaya.
Mathematics not only in the town but especially in the rural areas. As I've already said, we find it very difficult to get a good science and mathematics teachers in the rural area, and that is one of the reasons why students from rural areas could never do well in science and mathematics. So the crash course started by science and technology department was welcomed by the Directorate of School Education and Literacy, and we are also very grateful to them that through their initiative, many students, as I've seen today, from the rural areas have come up in science and mathematics, have received awards in science and mathematics.